Hello everyone, my name is Aurimas and for the last month I'm living in Bali. So I'm starting wondering, why should I just go around Bali by bicycle? Yesterday I rented a bicycle for 200 rupees, so it's 30 bucks I think. At the same time I rent a tent and sleeping bag almost for the same price, and this is all for 6 days. But my cycling trip will take, I think, maybe 4 days, maybe 3 days if I'm lucky. 3 years ago I had a cycling trip in Norway and I cycled 2,500 kilometers. The next trip was to Slovakia. I cycled more than 2,000 kilometers, and last year I was in Africa. So why not in Bali? Right now it's a little bit after 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm a little bit dizzy. I just started my breakfast, and after that I'll pack it my all stuff on my bicycle bag. It actually was really hard to find a bicycle with a back seat, because this is the most important thing. You cannot cycling with a backpack on your back, because after 5 kilometers you will be all sweaty. So it's the crucial thing to put all your things on the back seat. It's a big heat right here and really wet air conditions, so you're just standing and starting wetting. You don't need any hard things to get wet, you just wetting every time. So yeah. So this is my bicycle. It's actually a junk. Best junk that I found it, with a back seat. So you see my stuff. It's a tent, really small sleeping bag, and all my stuff. One bottle of water, my cameras, bicycle service repair stuff, and so on. Other water bottle I will put here. And yeah, actually it's junk. It's all cracking and something, I don't know. But still, I think I can do this with this bicycle. Around Bali, by scooter, bicycle or car, doesn't matter. It's around 450 kilometers. So this is the shortest trip. But I'm still really worried because of the bicycle. And a little bit maybe of the traffic, because traffic is horrible actually, especially in center of Bali, like in Ubud, Denpasar, Kuta. But of the north of the island, it's actually really nice traffic. You can go easily, just go straight, and there's not so many cars as in capital. So alright, I just finished my breakfast, put the last stuff on my bicycle, and we can start cycling. I just brought my rain cover from Lithuania, so maybe it helps. Alright, let's go. This traffic actually not so crowded, maybe because of that. It's still morning. Really amazing fields, rice fields. But I'm getting used to it because I'm living already 1 month in here. So it's usually view for me. Right now I'm just trying to reach the ocean, and after that will be really easier to travel because I just need to follow the ocean. It will be really easy. Right now it's just turn left, turn right. It sucks.
So after 2.5 hours I reached the ocean, and yeah, you see the red heart. So this is my home. I'm starting from here. Right now I'm here. So it's around 50 kilometers. The 90 kilometers left for me. It's goddamn hot. Yep, that's in the ocean. Awesome, right? Yeah. Jesus, what a view. Almost dead, almost dead. Yeah, so I just stopped for a rest a little bit. I'm all sweaty. Look at my calves. Yeah, so to the spot where I plan to stay for the night, it left for me 50 kilometers. So I think it's around 3 hours of cycling. So I think I will be around 3 or 4 o'clock in the right spot. This is good news, because the bad news is in Bali evening comes really quickly. At 7 o'clock at evening it's totally dark. So before this time I should be in the right spot, because otherwise I should cycling at the night time. I don't really want to do this in the Bali. It's dangerous actually. I should take ice cream. Yeah. Jesus, my sweat goes to my eyes. Right now I'm reached 110 kilometers, I think, and 30 kilometers left for me. So it looks like I reached the end, and it looks like I reached the beach. Oh yeah, hot like in hell, but the wind helps me. My ass burning more than my calves, but still I got to move. I just came to my place, and it looks like it's national park, and the guy said that it costs 200 to go inside in the national park. I didn't want to pay 200, so it's around 30 bucks. So he showed me the other spot of beach where I can stay for the night, and it's free. Filming is killing. After 7 hours of pedaling and 1 hour rest, I reached the ocean, my spot where I spent the night. And when I just crashed from the bicycle, it looks like with my back brakes it's done. It's broken. I tried to fix it. I tried to put front brakes on the back side. It looks like it's impossible. So yeah, for the rest of the days I will cycling with the front brakes. It's nightmare. I hope so I get a little bit alive, but still I'm by the ocean, how you can see. Ordered 2 noodles, and this is actually rice. I will go swim because I'm sting like a horse. I said this bicycle is a crap. Totally junk. I just felt a simplest way and it's broken. Fuck. I hate this bicycle. Oh, I just forgot the most important thing. Today I cycled 140 kilometers. Yeah. In 7 hours, 1 hour rest, how I mentioned. So I'm going to the ocean.